Hello friends, a lot of my customers ask a specific question about the customer display. Like for example, this is the billing software and there is a customer display. Customer display, of course, to watch the customers, what is the price is going on, what is the discount is going on. And the customers, they want to know what are the capabilities of this customer display. And again, we have another option here. This is the one laptop. I connected normal monitor as a customer display over here. You can see this is the normal monitor, and normal computer monitor I connected as a customer display. And what is the speciality in this? So both we are going to review today, and what we can do there, what we can do here, and here we can do QR code scanning facility or no. For example, like the UPI payment all. This is everything what we are going to study today. So here what we'll do in the Raindec POS billing software, and I am going to the sales panel over here, and I go to POS like that. And any product, for example, I am putting add to cart, what is going to happen will display over there. Again, I am putting one more product over there, for example, this one mango juice, for example, it will come over there. Very quickly you can see the pricing, everything, total, summary, everything it will come over there. So it will be very clearly, you can understand that what is going on. This will rotate to this customer side. For example, you are in the counter, you are billing like that, and the customer is standing like that. He can see, for example, if it is in my side, wow, very good, something like that. So the question is that the QR code scan, whether we can do or no. So here you go. For example, the customer is going to pay on Google Pay or Phone Pay like that. You select like that and select the Google Pay account, and I am clicking this one. See, you will get a QR code over there. See the QR code, you can find it over there. And for example, as a customer, I am standing in front of this monitor, this display. So what I can here I have an option there, display secondary, this QR code you can display to the secondary monitor. Click on that, it will come over there. It's the easiest way you can do this. And the total amount is near about 370 rupees. So what I will do, we will open our Google Pay. For example, I am a customer. I open my Google Pay and I open the scanner, okay? When I am moving to there, exactly same amount it will come over here. See? So what I will do, I will click on pay button and I put my password like that. See? I click on OK. So what is going to here? You want to listen this voice.
Successfully received 370 Indian rupees.
See, you can see the notification as well here. In the software, in the Raindec POS billing software, the system is directly connected. Yani, the UPI system is directly connected. That's why even the UPI payment which is coming, the software is indicating. There is an option is connect in the backside to connect the UPI system in the Raindec POS billing software. When you click close this button, it will be disappear. Just I am closing this one. See, it will be automatically disappear, and you can save and print it. Very simple way. See the customer invoice, it will display over here. Very easiest way you can create the invoice, such a nice way. This is the technology what we implemented with the Raindec POS billing software with this customer display. Now let's go move to the another customer display over here, and let us see how this system is going to work. So for that, for example, I am going to sale panel. When I am going to sale panel, see, you can see over here there is some display over here. The company name only, that's it. And again, I am going to sell some product to cart. Now look over here. Now I am going to add some products. So your indication should be like this. Your indication is like this. See, very simple way. For example, I am adding to cart, save and print. So this will be like this. So this is the way it will be available in this. So the invoice is coming. And the QR code facility is properly not functioning in this customer display, because I don't know why the scanner it is not scanning properly the QR code when we are trying too much. Maybe we will implement it later on. But currently no facility for scanning the QR code for the same we have done with this monitor. That facility is not working in this customer display. So again, we are concluding. What is the price this one? What is the price this one? This is normal monitor, as I said before. Normal computer monitor. You can see this one through HDMI I connected over here. And this is one is same USB type. Through USB cable you can connect it. Very simple. So this one priced near about 3,500 Indian rupees, as I said before. And this one, even no need to keep this much big monitor. You can get the small one like this, maybe 15 inch or less, 14 inch, 13 inch, 11 inch, 10 inch. Maybe you can use this kind of small size monitor. See this one, see, it's very small compared to this one. Even size wise you can see the smaller size. I think this is only like a 14 or 15 inch monitor. This one also will work very fine. Here also you will get VGA and all USB, and power supply option is there. Yeah, it's good. Acer brand. So maybe you will go for this kind of smaller size. So the customer, he can come to your shop and it's very crystal clarity is there. What are the things he's scanning? The customer, they have so many questions, like so many doubts. Maybe the QR code you are scanning 2 times. Such kind of doubts and feelings is there, of course, for the customers. So this one all you can make a clear picture when you are doing sale any product. So keep such kind of customer display. And in Reindeck POS billing software, it is very easy, awesome technology to connect to this one. Thank you so much for watching this one. Thank you. Bye bye.